Hey there, going to do a quick review on these Ultrawall wood rack organizers. I use a lot of these wood racks in my cabinet shop. They're extremely handy and they work really well. This particular rack is going to come in a box. Everything's tightly packaged together. You're going to have bolts to bolt everything together and lags to lag it to the wall included in the packaging. The nice thing about this particular lumber rack is that it's only 3 levels high. So if you do have a limited amount of height or space where you want to put these, this is going to be a pretty versatile option. Now with these, the brackets themselves are held on by a bolt. It's about a 1/4 inch thick bolt, plenty sturdy for what you're going to be putting on these. And the nice thing is it is a little bit limited on the amount of weight you can put on these just because you only have so much space to actually stack stuff up. So it's really designed for more of a light duty use. If you did want to have more space, you could just eliminate this center support and not install it, and then you would have more space in between these. Now to mount these to your wall, you'll see we've got 3 holes on the back side here. They include these nice large lag bolts. Those are about a 5/16, maybe a 1/4 inch lag bolt. And you can just lag that right through these holes. Gets you a nice amount of meat going into your wall. So overall, this is a nice product, good value, good price point. I certainly would recommend it for any shop or garage application.